Will AI take our jobs? The honest answer is uncomfortable. Parts of them, yes, and it's already happening. Microsoft cut 4,800 roles while AI products grow. The first wave targets routine software work. Starbucks is building internal AI to replace enterprise apps entirely. That's a whole software budget disappearing. But notice the pattern. AI doesn't remove the job first. It removes the task, and the company removes the role. The jobs that survive have judgment, accountability, and physical presence. Think trades and medicine. The jobs that change fastest are any workflow that is mostly moving information around a screen. The 2026 playbook: learn to direct the machine. The person who prompts, reviews, and decides is the new entry ticket. Tasks go first, then roles. Be on the directing side. Subscribe, Daily AI.